Good morning, friends, all shapes and colors. Welcome back to another daily vlog. My day's starting off great. Started with a dance party. Roll with it, baby. With my buddy here. She just started shaking her booty, didn't she, buddy?
It was so fun.
Yeah. Anyway, you missed that. But we're getting real deep into a chocolate smoothie. It's good.
I'm angry because I wasn't invited to the dance party.
Oh. Well, you gotta spend the night, buddy. Well, Bob, that time of day where we sit on the couch and come up with a plan.
Our bet we had yesterday about getting everything in one scoop. I could have snuck it in, but I'm just not that kind of a guy.
You had to go back and get one thing?
I got something this morning, one little tiny little piece.
Well, thank you for being honest there, Bob. Appreciate that.
Maybe I did get everything. Hold on a second, I could be back in action here.
No.
Yeah.
Don't push it.
So here, so just take off that thing on the pump there, and just see if this will screw in there.
Okay. Yesterday we finished up by starting to do the plumbing here. And we're just trying to get all the compartments. And I know that the reason why I made this bet with my dad...
Components.
Yeah, it flew by. No one really noticed. The reason why I made this bet is because, you know, I've gone through this, right, with my van. And there's lots of different sizes. You need to step down, go from metal to thread, from male to female.
You take that off the pump, the black thing off the pump.
Yeah, and put that on.
Put that on. They may eliminate this thing that I had to get this morning. I'm feeling good.
Defeated?
No, I feel like we didn't need this, and I could have dinner for a week. Technically, that's the way it was. You installed the pump wrong. Why don't we finish this part
Do you want to put the green in?
Okay, if you want to. We're in enough?
Yeah, it's in. Where's the little zips? And I need the really tiny
Screws?
square bit. Yeah, that's it. I got it. I just need the drill. The drill.
Righty tighty. You're going lefty, aren't you? How much you want to cut that?
Just enough.
Here's how we did our drain. This is a standard house drain, and then it reduces here into this copper ring piece. This is normally this long, but we just cut that down. And then you need one of these. We didn't have any of that ABS glue, so we just used silicone. It's just a drain, it should be fine. So then that reduces down to this. Then we needed this copper piece here. This copper brass fitting, which goes to the quick connect. And that's super clutch.
We kind of forgot to include a switch. It's very important that you include a switch on your pump. You know, if you have a leak in your system somewhere, your pump will just continue to pump. It doesn't have a switch on itself. So this is just a really simple switch. I'm gonna notch it out of the wood here. So it's right under a sink area. You can just make sure it's on and off.
Here are the instructions in case you forget again. It's a good read.
Is this a nice breed?
It's a nice read.
Thank you, let me have a look here. Our good friend Eric just showed up. I finally met him.
How's it going? How's it going?
We're here to work.
He's doing a little inspection on all of our electrical, making sure we're up to code here. Are you signing off?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful.
Hey Luz, do you mind if I put this in your bed here? Is that alright, Luz? That'd be very helpful for me.
Be careful, Eamon, she jumps up, eh?
Just stay right there, Luz. Thank you. Good job, Luz. Beauty, man. That's the way to do it.
Gotta love that, eh?
Notch that area right out with the oscillator. Thank you, Eric. And that guy's gonna fit perfectly right there.
It's the right size just for the helmet.
Yeah.
They're bigger money.
These ones here? There we go.
That's exactly it.
There's smaller ones.
Oh,
but
that's
this is the big
awesome.
one.
That's exactly it, right?
Would that
What
be-
you're looking at is this.
Yeah.
You
That's
know what
smart,
I mean?
Let's not get too rodeo drive here, boys.
Right?
this thing?
That's not me.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Profile set up for the box we'd use for 9 kilos. Just working away here. Bob and I are on packaging.
The table's all you, Eric. All right, I'm gonna pop up to Canadian
Why
Tire.
don't you just wait and then you can drop these
That's
off?
a great idea.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'll see you in a bit, Bec. Gentlemen, I'll be back in a bit.
Okay, Eamon. See you in a bit. just here with my friend Eric.
I know. Is Ryan back there?
Yeah, Ryan is there.
Cheers, man. Like Ryan's the only mechanic where he's got a snack machine in his office. Thank you, sir. Do I owe you anything for the change?
Don't worry.
You sure? Thanks, brother.
No
Appreciate it.
problem.
Hey, it's for my vlog. You want to say what up?
What's up? What's happening? What kind of blog are you in? Oh,
Eamon Bec on YouTube.
Eamon Bec.
Yeah, Ryan will send you the link. He knows.
Which is good.
Thanks, brother.
Thanks, brother.
Cheers. Crappy tire. This is the spot. So these ones are the ones I use, $15.99. They're 5 US gallons. But these ones are also $15.99 and these are 6 gallons. I don't know if I'm just noticing it today, but ever since I've been vlogging in public with my little dead cat on here, I seem to be getting a lot more comments. Just like, hey, what are you doing with that camera? Or hey, are you vlogging? I mean, it's pretty obnoxious, but I didn't think it was that different. It's a classic union situation in here, eh?
That's exactly what I was saying. I'm feeling very guilty. Hey guys, Bec here. Remember me? What are we putting up? The hinges? You guys seeing this? Eamon is reading the instructions.
Nah.
Oh, I got a red battery flashing.
Classic battery problem.
Hey, seriously, hot water's gonna work.
100% it is.
I already got it in this one.
Yeah, but watch this. This is a little pro tip brought to you by eFits. Get it a little bit softer so you can fit the fitting on.
Is that a Chihuahua chai?
I was just gonna ask you, Bob, where do you think you can get a little pot? It's an absolute perfect tool for this.
It is.
You
And
need-
plus you can make a cup of tea.
Do you know anywhere that you could get that?
Chihuahua in Canada.
Oh, is there a website?
ChihuahuaChai.com.
Oh, well, that's convenient.
Don't try this at home.
Without this pot. It's almost like George came over,
They're
right?
unbelievable.
Hold on, you forgot the fitting. You forgot the fitting. You
It'll
forgot the
still
metal.
go in. It'll still go in.
What? You forgot the metal thing on
It'll
top.
still go in.
Wait, where's it gonna go on?
What fitting?
This the thing you need at the end.
The clamp?
Yeah.
The clamp. Just say clamp. That's all.
I don't know.
I forgot it before. I know it works.
You forgot it a few times, huh? Okay, switch, source, light. Figure it out, right?
So think about it. You have all the time in the world.
No pressure. I need to do a red to a red here.
I'm gonna start you.
No. I got
Sure?
this, bro. I got this. Perfect. It works. It's it. He's a genius.
Butter.
Jim Dandy.
But even better here. Come here. I got a better idea.
What?
Better idea.
He's just itching for a brilliant or a genius move right here. I
Put it
know
like
it.
this. Put it on like this.
Brilliant!
Brilliant. Bingo.
Thank you, sir.
Bingo.
It's plumber day.
Look at it. It's always plumber day.
Oh, look at
Eamon,
this
you're
thing here. Look
butt.
at this thing here. You can put some tools in here.
Yeah, that's where you should keep your bits.
Yeah, that's where you should put your bits in your bum.
Your bits in your bum. How'd you go?
Excellent.
Oh, so you put that hook. Oh, would you look at that? I'm
so much.
so
Don't worry.
grateful for you,
I'll be
Eric.
back. No worries.
Really appreciate it.
Okay. No problem. Bye.
Thank you, Eric.
Bec's gone to the gym because she's trying to get swell, but I'm still here working on the band with the one and only B.O.B. We're tackling a new project now, doing the doors. Our plan is to do them in tongue and groove, and I have no idea how we're going to do that, but we're just going to kind of start at the bottom, I think, and just start firing it out. If there's a right or wrong way to do this. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. So we started at the bottom.
You gonna close the door? You want to close the door?
I got good news and I got bad news. Good news? Well, let's start with the bad news. We're out of screws. Good news, it's looking good. Let's go over to the depot. I'm gonna grab this and this. I'm not gonna vlog it though, so.
Don't forget the screws.
Hey guys, I'm back. Look looks like Bob did make an appetizer. Butter. Absolute butter, George. Okay, finishing result. My lens is not wide enough to show you, but it's kind of cool not having windows. You can go full paneling with it. What are
I
you
don't
doing,
know
baby?
what I'm doing. I'm trying to make, so Eamon, I called Eamon when I was at the gym, and he said we have zucchini and cauliflower, we should make something with that. And I'm like, all about it, so I'm trying
I'm like all about it.
zucchini cauliflower fritters.
With the LaCroix on the side?
Yeah, that's from like way earlier, I think. So wish me luck, I have no idea what I'm doing.
We're gonna wish her luck. We're gonna say goodbye to you. And remember to subscribe, like our video, and leave a comment if you have any questions for us. We will see you in the next one tomorrow. You got anything to add, baby?
No, we love you guys.
Peace.
CPR, save her.
Save me from the cement truck. Tomorrow's episode. Here's what goes down.
Visit youtube.com/EamonandBec/freestylefriday/ultimate blueberry pancake. You're gonna take the apple I bought for your potluck? Right.
You said you want to do a high five, and I said, what's a high five?
No, I said talking about this.
You can't, that's cheap. Buddy.
I'm number one. I mean, that's so inappropriate.
Just kidding.